Hi, I'm Tabi.
Hello, Tabi. How are you?
I'm good. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Michael. I live in Jakarta, in Indonesia, and I work as a 3D modeler in a game studio.
What does a 3D maker in a game studio do?
I create any object in 3D, in digital. So if you play games, you might see there's chair, there's maybe house, or in the movies also, you can see a car, a trees, anything digital. Basically, that's what I do.
Is your job fun? Why?
Is my job fun or not? Mostly fun, but sometimes it's a bit boring, but mostly fun. I think for issues, why do you have any favorite movie, animation movie? No?
I don't have.
Oh, do you know Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, but I don't watch it.
Oh, okay. Oh, do you watch Moana? So if you watch Moana, there's the big guy, right? There's the girl, there's the island. Yeah, so basically, uh, as a 3D modeler, I create those things you see in the movie. Before they can be animated, you saw them like fighting with monster or anything, right? The human, the character, that what I made.
Okay.
Yeah, so if like every day, my first week I create the house, and next week I create the character, and then next week I create the maybe the animals. Yeah, that's what I do.
Where do you work?
I work in my house actually. So in my game studio, everyone is work from home. Basically, we can work from anywhere.
Oh, how does
Yes.
typical day look like for you?
Oh, my typical day. So when I wake up in the morning, basically I turn on my computer and just start working for around 8 hours a day, and then I'm done. Maybe I have a lunchtime, go to a mini market, yes, go buy some snacks, and then go back home and then continue work until if it's already 8 hours. So then I finish my job on that day. Yeah, so I can go play, I can go sleep.
What is the most interesting thing you've ever done at
The most interesting thing. I used to work on a small object made from glass. It's a very small object for a game. It's the Marvel Spider-Man that come out in PS4, PS5, and then I can see my work. I can see the object I create in the game itself. So that's one of the big games I do.
What is the best part of your job?
The best part of my job. Uh, because right now I'm working in a game studio. So actually, if people play the game that I also work on and they happy, uh, that's the best part actually. And then they share it to their friends and they play together. Yeah, so if the games make people happy, then for me that's the best part.
What is the worst part of your job?
Worst part if let's say I already work on some stuff for like a week, 2 weeks, and then the the client or the client decide to change the concept, change the story, and then didn't then I need to redo my stuff, or then I need to do a new one, something like that.
How do you make a 3D model?
Oh, how to make a 3D model? Uh, Actually, do you know like a chef? They create a dough and then they bake it in the microwave. and then they become bread, right? Basically, it's the same, but just move all the things into the computer. So I also start from shape, from a simple shape, from a box, from a square, a cylinder shape, and then I move around. Then it becomes an object, a car, a house, a character. But the process is actually the same. You need to start from some basic shape. How you create a bread? You need to prepare the dough, and then you shape it, you arrange it, and then you bake in the oven, in the microwave, and then it become a nice looking bread. But in computer,
Okay. How long does it take to complete one game?
it's it's not always the same, but usually it takes around 3 until 4 years for one game to finish. Yes, it's quite a lot. It's very long time. Yeah, so it's a process. 1 year for only developing the concept, creating the character, and then the next year only start the real production. You really create the 3D. You you animate the character. You make them can run, can walk. Yeah, until you can play it in PS5, in Nintendo Switch, or any other console. Minimum 3 or 4 years usually.
Do you get to play the games you help create?
Of course, because to ensure that our work actually is good enough. So after we uh, create, maybe for me, I create a 3D model of a house. I put in the computer and I play the game to see like, oh, the house is looking good, and then okay, I can move on to other object, and I can play every day.
What is your favorite game?
Oh, my favorite game, I have a lot, but I really like Spider-Man. Yes, because I like Spider-Man, the Marvel Spider-Man.
Okay. Did you make that?
I only create a few objects for that game before the company moved me to the other games. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yes. So I get to do a few stuff on the game.
How did you decide you wanted to do this job?
Actually, it start from when I was still in the college. I take the animation major, and they teach us a 3D model. And then after that, my first job is before my first job, well, I do internship. I join one game company, and then from that, I just go with the flow.
Did you always want to do this job when you are a kid?
Not really, but I do love to play games since I was a kid. I play Harvest Moon, I play soccer, I play other games in PlayStation, in computer also. So maybe that still affecting me when I grow up.
Oh, okay. What did you study in school?
I study in the animation major. In some college, they combine with the graphic design. Some uh, they separate the major. They have animation, they have modeling, they have concept, they have graphic design, they have illustration. Yeah, but what I study focus on the animation.
What skill do you need to become a 3D maker, modeler?
There is no specific skill, but if you like to draw, if you like uh, watch movies, if you like play games, that's a good start. That's a very a good place to start. Yeah, just edit art. Yeah.
What advice would you give to a kid who wants to do your job someday?
Make sure you really like to play games or you really like to watch movies, especially an animation movie. Yeah, and just be creative. Just explore anything you want. Be creative because creativity is also part of the job actually that can help you uh to grow very far in this job.
Wow. I like to play games on the iPad.
There's a lot of games in iPad you
Yeah.
can play.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, thank you, Tabi. Bye bye.